G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 88 Bradman Way in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. There's a fair bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. With interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there really has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with having Hervey Bay's key amenities all nearby, including the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi's, the Airport Precinct Shopping Centre, sporting grounds, the Aquatic Centre, medical centres, the Marina, boat club, beach and iconic Urangan pier, all only a short drive away. This modern brick home is perfectly presented on a low maintenance 450 square metre allotment, allowing for clear side access with ample space to accommodate large caravans, RVs and boats. Upon entering this lovely home, you will immediately notice it is as good as new, with an open light-filled design combined with modern finishes that really create something special. With an intuitive and creative floor plan, there is definitely more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen really does form the heart of this home and includes ample bench and storage space plus a pantry, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood and an oven. This lovely home utilises its space perfectly with an open plan indoor living space which seamlessly connects with that north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal place for relaxing at the end of each day. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as opening up the windows and allowing those prevailing sea breezes to flow through. You also have reverse cycle split system air conditioning in the main bedroom. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The spacious main bedroom includes a built-in wardrobe, ceiling fan and also reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The bathroom includes both a bath, shower and vanity, and you have a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. There is also a number of raised vegetable beds to the rear for those wanting to be a little more self-sufficient. You also have a garden shed for all your gardening utensils. There really is nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that will come with owning this home. So call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.